Hi. Trade review today. So ka London session. Okay, so ke fitlhe mo the charts ka lebella, then I saw most likely letšatši le la today mo di charting tlo ba bearish. So ntho e ke dileng ko re ne ke emetše bearish price action to the downside for London session mara ne e seo. So ka emela NY session ya re fihla NY session the first hour ya ba le reversal candle closure to the downside. So for the most part of letšatši la lehono price action e le bullish on the hourly, but ka NY session first hour ne e le bearish. Manual some network issues, so next sa kgone ho tšea trade ana mola. So then ka emela Oribe 5, then is no better fetch better 5, then ka yeah, like the move was still happening to the downside. Got a daily target in ne ke beile ne se tšhwebe met. So ka diang ka go the 15 minute le yona 15 minute ka ba le bearish candle closure. So ka diang ka go the 1 minute chart ka kry like order block, ka kry le liquidity area e ne se tšhwebe swept mara nako ya progress then ya fihla ko 5:30 and ka nako usually ke yana mo like ka strategy se ke se diang usually ke yana mo like ke sa lebeleng chart, like usually like ke yana mo ke stopang for the day. So price action, I mean as ke bone dealing after mola, but I wouldn't be surprised if e sweepile that liquidity then ya lower ka NYPM session. Mara, yeah, that's it for today. Trade review today. Ke a leboha tjena ka ho lebela video na sharp.